Hello, this is an important announcement. I'm quitting D7. So I know you already have the soul sword. Nah, 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 nah. Oh yeah, I do have the soul sword on my normal account. But I have to get soul sword for two people. Two people. And I got soul sword in 2 months and it's taking me more longer for them because one of them are always on their account and then kicking me out. And then the other one is just, well, he's okay, but I'm already through the soul sword phase for him, but for Swag, no. I'm getting soul sword for my friend Swag and Ray. I'm gonna keep doing it for Ray, but for Swag, I just can't. He always gets on his account, and I can't stand it. So yeah, bye.